Hi everybody, hope you all guys are doing awesome. In this video, we are gonna discussing some really cool HTML. And this cool things are how we can put video, how we can put audio in our HTML and how we can show it to our users. And now let me show, I created a new HTML file, media.html, and let me wrap it out. Control B, Shift 1, Enter, and the name is media. Now, first of all, let me put audio tag to show you audio. And audio tag, remove the source from here. Put controls. This controls attribute. Every video and audio have control like volume up, volume down, and there is a buttons. I will show you that later. We have source. What is the source of audio? And in source, we have an attribute source, src, and our source is dot slash. We have this a dot wfv. This is our audio file, and then we have a type is wfv. And in here, good job. And I open the live server. Now you can see our tag is working, but I don't know. Audio is not working. We have audio. Let me fix it. Okay, where is the mistake in here? Oh, sorry. Let's put audio slash WFV and open with live server. And you can see the thing is now coming. Hi everybody, hope you guys can listen it and you guys can talk whatever. This thing is text area. Now this is our audio tag. Let me show you video tag. Video, it's the same. And here show the controls first. Controls. And inside of video tag, we must have a source because if you have no source, you cannot display your video, and source is src and dot slash. Look in here, I have an audio table 7.mp4. Okay, let me show you dot slash table 7.mp4, and the type is video slash mp4. And good job. Let me open with live server. Aha, that video is showing, but there is something else. We can put width. Like if I show you, the video is so bigger. Like look, it's so bigger and it's not looking good. Now let me show you how we can fix it. If I put width and 400 pics, I will tell you the specs and this all thing later in the upcoming CSS course. Because right now, if I told you this pixels thing, the scales, and you guys will super confused and there is no need of it right now. Now, if I zoom in, you guys can see it's looking good. Let me show you. Now it's looking good. And if I play, it's playing. We can show it. That's my video, guys. I told you before already. Well, it's working though. Everything you can download it. You can picture in picture like in here. Okay, now I think that's it for the video.